Alright, me and Petey are getting ready to take the little 69 Super B out for a road test. You ready for this one, Petey?
Oh, I don't know.
He's gonna, oh, don't be a coward. Little Petey's scared of everything because he ain't never been in no fast cars, so he doesn't exactly trust me, but I think it's gonna be okay. Why don't you go ahead and take the camera? I'm gonna hand you that little bad boy. Hey everybody, it's me, Marco. Don't worry about this. The hood doesn't actually latch. You'll be fine. Don't.
Will I be fine?
You'll be fine. It won't blow up because it's got a secondary catch. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Ha ha! Mr. Gondar. Let's show this little ignition here. Let's give this mother a crank. Listen to that. And look at that shifter. Now, Petey, I know that you're used to little 4 cylinders and stuff like that. I just wanted to show you some of the different functions on it. So here's your 4-speed. Okay, that's the shifter. Grab that and go up. Now, if we was going to go in reverse, that little light would come on. But we're going to go into first right here. Then over here we got your gas. See my right pedal? And so I'm just revving it up to kind of clear it out a little bit. And then this is the clutch. So when you want to go, you just do a little something like that. Gondar!
Oh. Holy moly.
Yeah, you're fine.
Oh.
This old thing runs out. Gondar! Yeah, look at that. You like that? You like those screeching tires? You okay?
Oh, hanging in there.
Give me that phone, man. That's okay. This is all real, man.
Hey.
Here's your shifter right there. We're going to go around the block. Here we go. Got Petey the man with me. Driving Miss Crazy. Show that shifter. I'm going for second. I'm going for second. Look at that. Third gear. You always go into third even though you don't even use it under power. It's just a cool thing to do. Because right now, if it was 1978 and I was up at the gut, Willamette Street, 29th and Willamette, I'd be on a trim hunt in this thing.
Can you say trim hunt?
Yeah, you can say trim hunt. And when you're on a trim hunt, show that shifter. Yeah. See this, guys? Pioneer Super Tuner?
Terrible. Trolling.
Yeah, that's a trolling gear right there. So when you're trolling Willamette Street for some Gambo, you just drop it down into fourth and you're all cool hanging out the window. Sup? Sup? And the chicks all drive by. You know, when you say, hey, well, you want to ride with me? Oh, you don't? Gondar!
Gondar!
Look at it over there all scared and shit. Oh, here, David. Yeah, this thing runs good, doesn't it?
It runs great.
Yeah, that's got a lot of torque. That whole thing runs out good. All right. What do you think? Driving Miss Crazy?
Driving Miss Crazy for sure.
I love them shits. Can you say shits? Yeah, this is YouTube.
I think we can say shits on YouTube.
I like it. Y'all don't like the shits? Change your channel.
What about that question?
Gondar.
Gondar.